So my brother recently got a new truck, and I wanted to get him a reverse backup camera, but he wouldn't let me touch any wires or like mess with like the TV, you know, and the dashboard thing. So I found this on Amazon. This is the BOSCAM SunGo Pro, and there's no wires. So this is the unit. It's got a solar panel. So normally you have to run like a power wire or something to get power to your camera, but it's got a solar panel. So he kind of goes like that, and the camera sits like this, and it's done. There's nothing to install. Super easy. I think it's already on. Here, I'll put the whole camera like that for us. And then in the rest of the box, there's just the TV, and it plugs into the cigarette lighter, and then there's like the mount for the windshield, and then the USB to power the solar panel. For some reason you need to do that, but there's nothing to install. So if I just put this in here and turn the car on, I think the camera's like already on and everything. Yeah, come check it out. So I don't know if you can see, that's the camera's on, that's it. So you watch the whole video. There's no installation. I think it was like 160 or 170 bucks, but totally worth it. So if you have a pickup truck or anything and you don't want to run any wires, or maybe you're leasing and don't want to break something, this is definitely the way to go. So I might put a link in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching.